Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to today's NGX Daily Market Summary. Today's Monday, December 8th, 2025. This is the very first trading day for the week. And we're starting on a good note, but I'll get into that in a bit. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You all are far too kind. Thank you to everyone who takes out the time to like, to share, to subscribe. And thank you for everyone who's newly joined the channel. I've had a couple of people join the last few days. I hope we find the content here educative. That is essence of really this platform and all other Greenticker deals platform, educating and informing people about stock markets. First Nigerian markets, but in the near term, probably sometime next year, we'll expand into other asset classes and other markets as well. But do note that nothing I say is financial or trading or personal finance advice. Nothing that appears on the channel is financial advice in any way or form. The all share index started the week on a bright note, up by 0.26%. The all share index gained 0.26% today, ladies and gentlemen. I'm sure you must be hearing the ASI all share index. What's the big deal about it? I mean, some people may not care about the all share index, more interested in individual stock performance, but the index measures the average performance of stocks on the exchange. Some stocks will do better, some stocks will do worse. You had 535 million shares valued at 12.9 billion naira traded in a bit over 28,567 deals. Who led the gainers today? Morrison Industries. I probably should include that stock in my pre-market video tomorrow. It's not liquid, and I don't see why it's fundamentally it's a rather weak stock. So I'm surprised that this stock is leading the gainers. Anyway, Morrison led the gainers today up 9.89% to close at 3 naira 89 kobo. MPF Microfinance Bank closely following with a 9.85% gain to close at 3 naira 1 kobo. Sovereign Trust Insurance, third place, up 9.31% to close at 3 naira 17 kobo. On the losing end of things, Dark Communications down 7.14% to close at 91 kobo. Livestock Feeds down by 6.25% to close at 6 naira. NACO down by 6.1% to close at 100 naira a share. That's a key point from a trading perspective. So I actually saw a few sub 100 naira trades in NACO today. So I'll be watching closely tomorrow. In terms of volume, FCMB Group led the way, 129.6 million shares traded today. FCMB Group, by the way, also had this EGM. You want to check out the EGM on YouTube, on the company's YouTube channel, My FCMB. That's where you find it there. Japan Gold, 63.7 million shares traded today. Zenith Bank, third place, 41.9 million shares traded today. In terms of value, Zenith Bank led the pack, 2.7 billion naira worth of shares traded today. Second place, FCMB, 1.43 billion naira worth of shares traded today. And then you have Fidelity Bank with 700 million naira worth of shares traded today. Now, beyond this, there are a couple of numbers that are also key. They may not reflect in the top 5 or the top 3 that I cover, but it's important to note the volume and value. So we'll start with Nestle Nigeria. And Nestle Nigeria traded a bit over 300,000 shares today. And so you can see that that's a larger than normal volume for that stock. The two used stocks, UPDC and UPDC rate. A rate is not a stock, but trades like a stock. So UPDC, it had 24.9 million shares traded. That's a huge spike in volume traded for that stock. UPDC rate has been trading large volumes, 9.2 million units traded today. So those were two stocks or two, I mean, UPDC is a stock. A rate is in the stock, but trades like a stock. It's a trust anyway that trades like a stock and all that. So you had those were two unusual volumes, unusual plays on the NGX today. As always, this post is up on my Substack 5 p.m. West African time, up on the Greenticker Tales podcast by 7 p.m. West African time and 8 p.m. West African time, Nigerian time. That is, you'd have the daily market summary on the Greenticker Tales Twitter handle. All links are in my bio on YouTube. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, thank you, thank you. See you in tomorrow's pre-market video.